welcome back in this new puzzle. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin and the new panic that is actually shared on the market. So what is actually happening with Bitcoin? During the last couple of days, we saw that many hedge funds are trying to attack the stablecoin market, and mainly Ethereum. As we all know, Ethereum is a strong pillar of the cryptocurrency market. Overall, Ethereum is used for many different purposes. So it is used in order to provide liquidity for the crypto market, so we can buy from fiat currency, we can buy a stable coin, and after that we can buy the token that we want. So we can invest and we can speculate at the same time. The second one is that stablecoins are used in order to deposit the free funds after we have found a good opportunity to invest again. And also we can use stablecoins in order to take passive incomes. On the other hand, if all of this problem, all of this panic will grow up and it will be bigger, the problem is that the big amounts that is staked in various DeFi projects, they will have a storm of liquidation. So this is not good at all. That is why we are looking at that the hedge funds are attacking stablecoins. It's a clear idea why, because a stablecoin is pegged to USD dollar, and the value is 1-to-1, so we are not expecting at all USDT to move 1.2 or 1.5. But on the other hand, we saw that the market experienced the first crash from Luna, and USDT moved up to 95%. So it was a small percent, but it moved. However, as we are looking at from different articles that are on the website, we can see that also the Tether, Paolo Ardoino, we can see that this is the chief technical officer of Ethereum. He is showing that there is nothing to worry about Ethereum and what is happening. So everything, all the attack that the market is going to experience during this period of time, at least what is supposed to happen, is that the Wall Street Journal reported suggesting that traditional hedge funds are seeking to short Ether via Genesis Global Trading, one of the largest cryptocurrency brokers. However, also the Genesis Global Trading didn't want to promote more about what was happening with these companies. Also, in my personal opinion, I would say that as long as they don't have the actual power to crash the crypto market again, they are just sharing the news and to make it public. Because the higher the panic, the bigger the crash that the crypto market may experience. However, this attack on Ethereum is not good at all. It's something that overall it sucks. Because if we are going to think that Ethereum is going to go down, and this is one of the strongest stable coins, we can say that all the crypto market will be destroyed. So it's something that doesn't make sense at all. However, the actual panic is very big, because USDT is one of the largest stable coins, and as we all know. And on the other hand, USDT can support a high pressure of volatility and liquidation, so it's not a big deal, as their chief technical officer said about USDT, but we have to see that. I hope that it is not going to happen. And now we are going to look at the technical perspective, what happened during the previous time. Should everyone be worried about this movement or not? Because this is what happened also during the previous time. We know that during the previous sessions that I have shared this movement, they were almost equal in size and also in time. If you can see, they are approximately the same. The crash on each of them was approximately 30,000, and after that it was corrected to 10, and I hope that this is not going to happen again, because it will be very frustrating for all the market participants, because if this is going to happen, look at where the price comes down. But I don't think at all, because also these hedge funds are creating these problems only to benefit for themselves. So let's break it down what happened during yesterday. I'm watching this potential reversal area that began at 70,000.8 approximately, and on the other side we are looking a potential reversal also as a double bottom. So also if price is going to come and to test the bottom, everything is fine until that moment. So we don't want the price to move below 70. What we were looking at is this area here that is located close to 18,000 and 80,500. I shared this idea also during yesterday on my personal profile. You will see that when I shared it, Bitcoin was close to the area, and we can see a very strong price reaction. So price actually reached the first two targets, and we can see that the bullish momentum is strong from the lower side. We can see very strong volume, but on the other hand, also very fast sell when the price reached 20.8 approximately. So it is showing that the bulls and the bears are both, they are showing a high, let's say they are interested to buy and to sell in this area, but no one wants to keep it for a longer period of time. However, we are not expecting the price to move so fast. Also during the previous time that we are looking at this pattern, price was developing somewhere at this point. It was at this point here. Let me show it. It was this part of the structure, so this descending broadening wedge pattern. We can see that price didn't manage to close above, and one of the scenarios was that it could have moved lower as well. What happened was that before 4 days, it was on 27th, 28th, and this was the date approximately. Look at the price here. When the news was released about the attack that we are talking about, the panic increased too much, and we can see the price move down approximately 10%. So this will be also profit-taking area, because many market participants, many traders that anticipated the panic and the news, they are going to close profits, so no one is going to let the profits to run, because no one is expecting Bitcoin to move so low without any clear reason at all. So this is why we experienced this crash. I don't see this as a big problem for the time being, because we are not in that area. So from 28, all of this was the crash from the news, this part here. So this is the hedge fund attacks, and look at how problematic this type of news are. That is why the hedge funds are sharing this type of information in the market and are making this public. But I think also that they can experience the same problem as they faced on GameStop and AMC that happened 2 years ago on the stock market, that all the retail traders push the price on the opposite side, so everyone went in the market and bought. It's something that we don't have to rule out the possibility, because at the end of the day their money are our money, so they are taking money from retail traders and to invest for their self and to make profits. So just look at this scenario. Price reached a very strong area, so only the news is the one that is causing this problem. We can see Bitcoin to come down again. It's something that we can see because the bullish and bearish movement are not finished yet, and the new potential and the range area where the price is going to move right now will be very wide due to the high volatility and market panic that the crypto market is experiencing. The problem is that this is showing mainly on Bitcoin because this is the index for the cryptocurrencies, as we all know, and this is the area that we need to pay close attention. From 80,000 approximately to 21, 22, that is the top of the structure. At least this is what I am looking at on Bitcoin. Also, I'll make a brief presentation of the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. So I have another analysis that I was looking at on Ethereum. This is an analysis that I have shared also during the previous times. The older one is this analysis here. It was shared on June 14th. We can see that price, if we press the button, we will see that price is spending a lot of time in that area, as it was expected, because it is not going to change direction very soon. The actual panic is doing its own, so as we can see on the reversal area of Ethereum that I was looking at here, within 1000 and 1100, we had also the red target from our previous analysis that I have shared, and price moved a bit lower, and look at where we are on the 4 hour again. So also on the 4 hour we can see the same pattern formation, 1, 2, 3, and look at the movement that is doing. We can see also correction and probably another 3, and after that another 3 again, and we are going to be in this type of movement. Just one moment to make it clear. We can be also in this movement. This is the potential scenario, and after that we can see another one as ABC, and everything within the potential reversal area. I'm making this with red. So this is what I'm looking at also on Ethereum. So everything is related with Bitcoin right now, and hope we are not going to experience the problem with USDT. But I don't think that it will happen at all, as long as they are just releasing the news of the attack in advance. So probably they don't have the funds and they just want the panic to be higher in order to create their profits. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Bye bye.